It almost feels like that way because it is literally hailstorm right now. Look at the roof.
I mean, come on, where did summer go?
So today's another really cool video, and you know why? Because we're going to pick up Nicolaj's 347 stroke with small block Ford engine for his 66 Mustang, which is a pretty cool build that he got a guy to build for like 2 months ago or something, and it's finally ready. So we're gonna go hop out in the truck in a hailstorm and travel like 100 miles with an open bed with a freshly built engine in it without getting it rusty and water into the engine, and hopefully install it tonight, and hopefully maybe tonight also start it up for the first time. So what we're gonna do quick right now is change out the water pump, because he changed over to some other aluminum water pump for his dyno. We have the water outlet here instead of the passenger side, so just gonna change that out real quick and also paint the whole front cover assembly whatever here. So apparently he just left it blue. I don't know why. He just did. So what you guys are looking at right here is a dyno sheet, and you can't see anything because it got printed on a great printer. So what I'm gonna explain here real quick is you guys have torque right over here, black stripe, whatever. No, that's horsepower, that's great. Then you have another line right here, if you can barely see that. That's the torque numbers right there. And if you look out here, 350, followed in here, peak horsepower at around 6,000 RPM, 360 horsepower. Bear in mind though, that this is with a kind of small intake on it and some really terrible headers, as in really terrible headers. So this is probably a 400 horsepower engine, somewhere around there, plus minus, but a solid unit. And 480 to 500 foot-pounds I was about to say, but that's in Newton meters, so don't get me wrong right there. If it made 500 foot-pound, well, rip transmission, that's all I have to say. So we just got the engine off the truck, and we're gonna get ready to put this thing in, but first of all, we gotta pull the old engine, the old mill, you know. Let's get to it. Let's throw in a time lapse again. Time lapse. There you go, guys. Water pump is off. We're just gonna paint the timing chain cover. Also remove the little timing thingy here, oil, dipstick and stuff, and just gonna give it a quick once-over, you know. Old unit, new unit, restored. Very nice. Wonder if the vacuum works. Apparently my sock is not good enough. You don't have to worry about it. Send it. So next two things we're gonna swap over are this fitting right here for the heater, and then we need a sending unit for the temperature, and then we also have this temperature sensor that we run to the electrical fans on our eBay Aluminium Special. So we're gonna do that right now. This one's gonna be fun. I can already see that. Look at all that. Click, click. I just need motor mounts and bell house bolts. My guy just fell on the table out here. And then we can pull out the old engine and put in the new. Start it up. Pretty simple, huh? Don't see a lot that I'm clipping out here, but it should be pretty simple. It's like 2 AM right now on a Sunday, and we're gonna try to start this thing up. It's gonna be real loud, and we only got one manifold. So it's gonna be like a header leak thing going on. It's gonna sound probably terrible, but we like that. It's redneck. So there you go, we took it on test drive and the thing ripped. You can definitely feel it has a lot of torque, and you can definitely feel that the transmission is holding on for dear life, you know what I mean? So probably need to upgrade that in some way somehow with a new converter and some clutch packs and stuff. But we also want some overdrive stuff, so AOD or manual transmission if you ask me. So thank you for watching, don't forget to leave a like and comment down below if you like this type of video as I said in the start, and let me know if you want to see more videos like this where I cover like my friends' cars and more like other cars than my own stuff. So that also gives me an opportunity to film some more stuff instead of my own stuff all the time. So let me know down below.